Hey, it's OhioJimbo. I got a really cool song for you this time. It's 3 chords, E, A7, and B7. And we're going to get into this. It's called the Honky Tonk Blues. I think you're going to love this one. Really simple to play, and you can follow right along with the chords on the screen, and we're going to have a blast. Let's get into it, okay? Hey, it's OhioJimbo. I got another cool song. A request song here is Honky Tonk Blues. Very simple, E, A7, and B7, and you just have a lot of fun with it. So let's see how we can do with this song. It's very simple, just start strumming it. Well, I left my home down on the rural route. I told my pa I was stepping out. I got the honky tonk blues. I got the honky tonk blues. Almighty, I got the honky tonk blues. I went out to dance, wore out my shoes, woke up this morning wishing I could lose those honky tonk blues. Yeah, the honky tonk blues. Lord Almighty, I got the honky tonk blues. In town, the city life's really bringing me down. I got the honky tonk blues. I got the honky tonk blues. Lord Almighty, I got the honky tonk blues. I'm gonna tuck my worries underneath my arm, heading back down to my papa's farm with the honky tonk blues. Yeah, the honky tonk blues. Lord Almighty, I got the honky tonk blues. Lord Almighty, I got the honky tonk blues. That's Honky Tonk Blues. Yes, it is. And what a great song it is. So I hope you enjoyed that. Very simple. It's an E, an A7, and a B7. And you just kind of jam along with that and let the lyrics take you wherever. And if you don't have the lyrics, let somebody else yell it out. It's very simple. You got 2 phrases, and then you just go right in. I got the honky tonk blues. I got the honky tonk blues. Lord Almighty, I got the honky tonk blues. So it's a very simplistic song, easy to play. You're going to sound like you really know some of the classics. So I hope you have fun doing that one. And until the next time, if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.